Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate US Bank Business Debit Card, fast setup step by step clearly. To activate your US Bank Business Debit Card, start by locating the card that you received in the mail. Make sure you have your card handy. Look for the activation sticker on the card. You might find options to activate online, by phone, or through the mobile app. For online activation, visit the US Bank website. Log into your business account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the card activation section. Enter the required information, including your card number and other identification details. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. After verification, your card should be activated immediately. If you prefer to activate by phone, find the activation number printed on the activation sticker. Call the number and follow the automated instructions. Be prepared to provide your card number and other identifying information. Once you've completed the call, your card will be activated. If you want to use the mobile app, download the US Bank app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your business account. Look for the card activation option in the app menu. Enter your card details as prompted. After submission, you should receive confirmation that your card is activated. Once activated, you can start using your US Bank Business Debit Card for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.